Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Maxima SR. Absolutely wonderful car. These nice paddle shifters behind the wheel. Oh, it's windy. I'm gonna walk backwards. Nice dual exhaust. Well, exhaust tips, because the actual exhaust is set in there. Whatever. Pearl white tri-coat, and the interior color is blanking. Charcoal. Oh, absolutely awesome. One of the best interiors I've ever been in. It's that good. Total price of $43,725. Pretty much fully loaded one. 300 horsepower, 261 pound-feet of torque from the 3.5 liter 6-cylinder. What's nice is they took after the Germans, added a leg extension on the driver's side, as you can see here. I do believe these are the zero gravity seats, because they are some of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in. Holy cow! That goes forever. You do have heated and cooled seats. So you navigate there or through the touch screen. So, for the drive, we're in sport mode. Trying to think. Yeah, start off in normal drive, and then we'll bump it over and use the paddle shifters. I mean, I love this car so much. Casual Cayman. Oh, 3.5 just makes such a good noise. Oh my gosh. Oh man. This thing hauls. Oh, that's fantastic. Nice Gran Turismo. Of course, being a CVT transmission, these paddles aren't switching through actual gears. It's more, the series of belts has set ratios that they work with. But it's still a very, very nice touch. I'm glad they included them and made them so nice too. I mean, they're huge. What's really kind of funny is I hear a good amount of burbles from the exhaust too. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.